Feynman trick. This is basically telling you what are the monsters in differentiation. So suppose I want to differentiate this guy. How do you differentiate? The idea is this formula. Suppose you have a u and v, they are all functions and they are differentiable, of course. Then you have this formula. You don't need to remember this formula. So the idea is very simple. You just take log. This is big chunk of thing. I call it f. Now I take log. Why I take log? Because it removes the power. So the functionality of log is to remove the power. So now the power come down. And then log this thing is a division, right? I also can do subtraction in log. So another reason why you take log is because log can kill the division and multiplication. So now I have this. And then what? Then you just take this thing on both sides. This one, I need chain rule, which gives me this. This one, you d each of the x one by one, which is a very long expression. Now you have this 1 over f. So you put them back, so you have this, and then you write this f back to this, then it's done. Okay, this is what you can get the hardest in differentiation. Nothing can go harder than this. Well, the only way I can make it harder is I differentiate one more time. So if I write this symbol, it means d it one more time. For example, what is this? dx power 3 square, right? So it is the same as do it 2 times. So I need to fix this first. The first thing inside the bracket is 3x squared. Okay, and then what? Constant, I can go out. So I have 3, and then I just need to do this. And then what? This thing, 2 go out. So I have 6 or 3 times 2, and then x. That's why I have this. Okay, so basically this is just repeated differentiation. Then you will ask, what's the happen if I derivative n time? You will get something looks like a binomial theorem. Okay, which a German guy give a name, but doesn't matter. Okay, so here's an example. Suppose I have x to the power 4 sine x. I want to differentiate 2 times. You can do it by brute force. That means you write down it from the start. But if you do it in the binomial sense, this is more systematic. So what does it mean? This is power 2, right? So you differentiate the first guy 2 times, keep the second guy, and then differentiate the second guy 2 times, keep the first guy, and this is like 2ab. So basically this looks like a plus b square, right? But now instead of the normal multiplication, this is actually differentiation how many times? So you just compute this 3 thing, exactly 3 thing. Okay, so you differentiate 2 times, so x to the power 4 differentiate 2 times, so this term, which is this is 1 time, this is after the second time, and then the v is there. V is sine x, so sine x, sine x, sine x. This term is you don't touch it. V differentiate 2 times, so you don't touch it. V differentiate 2 times, after you do 1 time, after you do the second time. Okay, this guy is what? Middle. 2 times of each differentiate 1 time. 2 times of each differentiate 1 time. That's it. And then if I put a 7 here, then you have to do 7 times.